Oh, Lychee, you so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, Lychee!
Hey, Lychee! Hey, Jessie, since you like lychee so much, why don't I make a lychee gin and tonic?
That sounds like the answer to my dreams.
Perfect, let's do it! Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking Beautifully. What are you drinking today? Today I have Chef Jessie here.
Hi, thanks for having me again.
Thank you for coming.
Glad to be here.
Since you love lychee so much, I'm going to make lychee gin and tonic.
All right.
This one is really simple. First, what you need to get is a really good quality gin. I got this short path gin. This distillery is actually in Everett, Massachusetts.
Awesome.
So it's made locally.
Awesome.
Yeah, I love to support local business.
Absolutely.
So the first thing you want to do is you want to, get some ice, and then you need 1 3/4 gin, and then you need 3/4 fresh lime juice, and then 1 ounce lychee puree.
My favorite part.
Yeah, I love lychee. Just get 1 ounce of lychee puree. And I highly recommend you make some homemade grenadine. I have the recipe on my website. Just get 1/2 ounce of homemade grenadine. And now I'm going to shake the cocktail. And I think I can do a better job if you sing that song again, okay?
All right.
Let's do it.
Oh, Lychee, you so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, Lychee! Hey, Lychee! Oh, Lychee, you so fine, you blow my mind. Hey, Lychee!
Hey, Lychee! Ooh, great.
All right.
Yay. And so for this drink, I actually also have some rose water,
Okay.
and it will come out really beautiful. Yeah, I'm just going to, and now,
Look at that color.
look at this, huh? Ooh. And then top this with some, this is really perfect for summer. I like this cocktail so much. And garnish.
Look at that.
Fresh lychee.
Perfection.
Delicious. Yay. Oh, lychee. Hey, lychee gin and tonic. It's here. Cheers. For friendship.
Oh my goodness. Delicious. Nice, refreshing. Love the lychee in there. Perfect.
Right?
Perfect.
Yeah, and
Perfect
also the, can you smell the rose?
I can, yeah. That's a nice,
Right?
nice rosy undertone.
Yeah,
Love
this
that.
is a beautiful summer drink. Try this recipe. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for choosing Cooking Beautifully, where memories are made.